me why we don't talk anymore since we said goodbye. I got no one left to adore. We had the baddest break, I bet no chance to make up. If tomorrow you don't open your eyes, would you say you love me from the clouds above me? Would you find a way to send me aside?